The internet is fantastic. You can do a lot of exciting things. Chatting with friends, sharing photos, shopping deals, watching videos, reading news, and much more. Unfortunately, the internet has some catches. Hackers, malware, spam emails, viruses, phishing websites, fake shops, data theft, just to name a few. What if there would be an area where you could enjoy all the nice stuff without the bad stuff? Well, we created this area, and we named it the SafeZone. Register one time and get your SafeZone pass. Now you can sign up at all participating websites without sharing your data. Subscribe for newsletters without sharing your email address. Win prize draws in privacy. Shop online in verified shops, and much, much more. Thanks to our easy two-step authentication, we keep hackers where they belong, outside the safe zone. In short words, you get all the nice stuff without the bad stuff. www.safe.zone